Hey guys, today we are unboxing this gaming hub from Seagate. This is a storage device that this one is in this case it's 8 terabytes, and it's a FireCuda Gaming Hub. It's got LEDs that can sync with your motherboard. So yeah, this is a massive storage, like they say there, for games, you know, downloading all your games from Steam and whatever. You're gonna have to have some place to put them, and this will work nicely for that. It says there it's got USB 3.2 Gen 1 for easy plug and play. Now you can all read that on your own time if you want to pause this video. It can stand up vertically or lay down horizontally. So let's quickly see what's in the box and what you get with this thing. Very nicely packaged. This one has been sealed with this plastic stuff, and then there's another seal, and the box itself is also very sturdy, and the drive itself is packaged in some very sturdy foam also. So that is the drive. We'll just get to that one now. What's that? Oh, also a bunch of stickers, FireCuda stickers, and you can put that all over your chassis and wherever you want to. A little booklet. I think this actually comes with you know, rescue software. Let's just rescue data recovery service included. Okay, I guess if something happens to your data, you can go and rescue it. Okay, bit difficult to get that one out, but there you go. That's what you get in the box. So there's your beefy power supply with all its different adapters. So yeah, there's a multitude of options to plug this device in, or to plug the power supply in. Okay, so let's say this is the adapter you're going to use. You can just quickly pop it on there, slide it in, or if this is the kind of adapter you need, slide that in there. You get the idea. This is just a little cover to cover the contacts on that. So let's have a look at the drive itself. Oh, in this little box there's still something left. That's it for that. So this is a USB 3 cable. Oh, it's about 1.2 meters, I would say. The drive yo, that's very nice, hey? You've got that nice Seagate branding over there, and then you've got rubber feet over here. So I guess it would be standing on the surface like that if you put it flat on the surface. Oh, and then it's got rubber feet on this side also. So either you put it upright, or you can put it down like that, and it's got rubber feet for whichever direction you put that on. On the other side of the drive, you've got a Type-C connector. Oh, so this might be the back of the drive. So this is the back of the drive where the power and the USB goes in for the computer. In front of the drive, you got a USB 3 adapter and a Type-C adapter. And these, I believe, you can use for connecting extra storage. Yeah, just expanding the drive, I would believe. There's a little light over there, and that will be your indication of when the thing is busy writing or not, if it's active or not. Let me quickly see the adapters voltage and stuff. So if you want to know or replace this thing, you can always check this out. This is a 12 volt 3 amp adapter, and I believe that's necessary for this drive to spin up. If you use any other 12 volt with a lower amperage, this thing won't even start up. So yeah, I see there's also the little FireCuda or the Seagate logo that's normally on the stuff. So just a very nice, sleek and neat design. So yeah, if this is something you wanted to see, I hope this video showed you the size and just the feel and the look of this. It's a very square and sharp looking drive. I don't know if it will light up if I plug in the power now. I can quickly do that just to show you guys maybe, but yeah, I think that's the unboxing for this. Right, so I managed to quickly get an adapter there, or a plug, and then plugged it in. And now let's connect this and see if it switches on at all. No, it's not going to. Okay, I don't have a laptop with me. Let's quickly see if we plug in this cell phone. Yep, it lights up. So now you can actually see the drive is spinning up. It's got this nice light in front. Yeah, it's only the line in front. And this is red at the moment, but it is RGB, so it'll be able to go any color you like. This is actually very, very nice. Let's quickly turn off this light. Wow. Yeah, that's a nice light. Okay, that is very nice. So yes, like yeah, this will definitely fit nicely with a gaming rig and serve as a nice big storage for all your games. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped you to decide if you want this or not.